I'm James, a blogger from London. Last summer, in Mikko's summer cottage, I got familiar with the heart of Finnishness. In just one night, I learned so much about Finnish culture. So I'm back! In the morning, the temperature was -10 degrees. I guess we won't be heading to the summer cottage. But first, we have to talk about the people at Hydroline. This is Rina. She's a development specialist at Hydroline. She's got the most admirable ability of making things happen and solving out the most complex problems. This is Q. You might remember him from my previous trip. He is the expert of everything, the genius that comes up with the most exciting innovations and ideas. And of course Mikko, the hard-working Finnish engineer, the Superman from far north, my friend. And now Mikko realizes I've sent him a video. Hi Mikko, greetings from London. Surprise! I bought a plane ticket to Finland. Hopefully you'll have some time to meet up. So, in case you're at the cabin, I'd love to pay you a visit. A little break of everything in the middle of nowhere would be so good right now. See you, I hope. Q has come to pick me up and will give me a ride. Mikko has a secret project. He needs some time to figure things out with it, so he took a little break as well and escaped into the wilderness. Mikko had left the city already a week ago. Look at that! Hydroline has their own beanie collection. Q told me that we'll go 300 meters above the lake, so the air will get colder. He laughed at my clothing and gave me proper ones for Finnish winter.
James!
And then I saw Mikko. He was like a mirage in the middle of all that white snow and fog, skiing towards me with a big smile on his face.
Hello, man!
Great. The skis felt a bit odd on my feet at first, but no rush. Baby steps. The scenery was incredible. Maybe I fell down in a few hills, but I didn't break any bones. I probably should have gone jogging a few times before I came to Finland. Should have known that when you go hiking with a local Superman. Mikko told me we'd spend the night at a lean-to. What the hell is a lean-to? Oh, this! This is nice. Mikko told me all about his secret project he was working on. Even though I'm no expert of engineering, I did understand that it was something really unique and amazing. He has the idea to replace hydraulics with electricity and get completely rid of the use of oil. It was time to go to sleep. What the hell is that noise? Wolves? Oh man. What is that? Someone's driving a car. How did they get out here with a car? This isn't happening. Where is Mikko? Why would he leave me here? Who are they? What do they want?
James. James. James, wake up. James, wake up. Yes, wake up. Hyvä, kyllä. Tää lähdetään.
It was a dream. No wolves, no cars, no noise. I'm safe.
Let's go.
As we made our way back from the wilderness, I understood what Mikko had explained to me the night before. His dream to revolutionize the manufacturing industry, to get rid of the polluting oil and nerve-wracking noises of the engines. There is nothing more soothing and beautiful than the sound of silence in the heart of untouched nature. Back at the factory, I told about my nightmare where I was stuck in the middle of London. I couldn't escape the noise or all the light around me. And that made me think, maybe this is the place where I want to be. I love it here. I feel like part of the family. The Finnish winter did not defeat me. I think I want to move here permanently. I love Finland.